This is the timeline of the Artemis II mission. It starts with liftoff, day 1, when the rocket leaves Earth and places Orion into orbit. Over the next 2 days, the crew stays close to Earth, checking every system before going deeper. Then comes a powerful push, translunar injection, sending them toward the moon. As days 3 and 4 pass, they drift through deep space, watching Earth fade away. By day 5, the moon's gravity takes over. On day 6, they fly past it, closer than humans have been in decades. Then they swing around and head home. After a few days returning through space, day 10 ends with a fiery re-entry and splashdown in the ocean. A full journey around the moon and back.